Saan po yung entrance? This is the cap. So guys, we're here in the in the Vermosa Sports Hub there.
Good morning.
Morning.
Okay.
Sorry about that. Let's go inside.
Pasok na rin yan.
Okay.
Stay, your gym, circle na.
Oh yeah. But we have to ask permission first. So, maybe.
Hi, Daddy Wilson.
Oh yeah. Hi,
Hey, what
GB.
is that?
That's my mic
Bye.
for the video, for my video, GB. Okay.
Or hindi sa loob.
Oh yeah, we're inside of the Vermosa gym. Here, look at that. Look at the inside. Oh, there's a treadmill. Diba?
Today, sir, free trial muna.
Oh yeah.
Gustuhan mo siya, didiretso na tayo ng payroll para sa'yo.
Oh yeah. Let's see if I appreciate or not.
Anong feeling mo?
That's great.
Are you excited?
Yeah, that's correct. Mm.
Nice one. Nice one. Yun. Nice one.
Too difficult one without.
Good, go, understand. Good. Nice one.
I can't, he can't do
Neil. One hand muna.
Okay, good job.
Wait, anak, wait. Jeep, assist mo nga.
Okay.
Hang muna, hang ka muna. Hang first. Okay. Oo.
Like this, oh. Like this. Di ba yung hang, are you okay?
Okay, masakit na. Okay na, coach.
Hurry up. So guys, I'm back and I'm done exercising in the gym here in Vermosa Sports Hub, and we're going home now. Let's go. So GB, let's go. Let's go na. Let's go guys. Tara.
Halika na. Halika ka, may ka pa.
Enjoy ka ba?
Yes po, ma. I enjoyed.
Napagod ka ba?
Yeah, that was so tiring.
Ano mas pagod ka sa crossfit?
Yeah. Guys, I'm home. I hope you enjoy my mini vlog today. This Saturday routine. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.